This is why the trumpet is the best instrument to learn. The trumpet has a rich history dating back to ancient Egypt. It was used by soldiers to signal battle, and believe it or not, it was also used in traditional Irish music sessions. When I first started playing trumpet, I was drawn to the sound of the Irish session. I wanted to learn more about the history of the trumpet and how it could possibly fit into this type of music. As I delved deeper into the world of traditional Irish music, I discovered that the trumpet was actually an integral part of the session. The first time I heard this, I was blown away. I couldn't believe that the trumpet could play these beautiful, intricate melodies that I had only ever heard played on fiddle. But as I continued to listen and learn, I realized that the trumpet was not only capable of playing these tunes, it actually added a unique flavor to them that I had never tasted before. If you want to learn more about the history of the trumpet and how it is used in traditional Irish music, stay tuned for more videos.